What's going on, guys? It's your boy James, the Forex Prince, over here at Beastly Trader. Real quick, do you want to learn how to trade Forex and become profitable at that? Then stay tuned for this video because this is exactly what you need. All right, so what I need you to do first is go on over to your app store and then type in MetaTrader 4. It should look like this, and then you should go ahead and then download it. And then once it's downloaded, make sure you hit open, and I'll see you inside the app. Once you hit open, it should take you to something like this where there's a bunch of pairs on your screen. Don't worry about anything yet. I need you to hit these three lines in the left hand corner. Then hit manage accounts, and then we're going to hit the plus sign, right? Hit the plus sign. We're going to hit open a demo account. We're going to look for Hugo's Way Demo 3. Don't worry about none of this information here. You put in your name, your phone number, and your email, and then this is automatic. And then I want you to come down to leverage and change this to 1 to 100. And I want you to come down to deposit and change this to $3,000. All right. What this then does is this makes things feel a little bit more realistic, and we can then work on your trading psychology. All right. After that's done, I want you to come over here and come back, hit these three lines, come down to settings. All right, make your way towards colors, and then you want to go ahead and copy this screen. All right, I'll show you exactly why this screen is the way it is, and you can go ahead and enjoy it and get this strategy that's coming up next. So stay tuned. All right, now that you're over here, these indicators that's on the screen, they're called moving averages. Moving averages, they tend to lag and tell you what price has done a few moments after price has done it. I'm going to show you how to turn them from lagging to leading right now. Hit this F. Your first indicator is going to be a 9 simple moving average set at a 2 pixel, set at the color green. What I want you to do is then come to shift and put a minus sign and put the 3. What this then does is back the moving average up 3 candles back, which puts it right on top of price. The next indicator I want you to get is a 21 simple moving average labeled at a 2 pixel with the color red. And you want to also back this up 3 spaces. All right. This is called the resistance line. And this is where price will catch itself choking here and there. Here is the third indicator, which is a 200 simple moving average. We're going to plot this on the chart as a 4 pixel. We're also going to make this orange, and we're also going to back this up 4 candles. So we're going to put a negative sign and a 4. And what that does is it makes your chart look. Once your chart looks like this, you can then go ahead and zoom in and see that price does everything that it should have done. All right. Quick pro tip. What I want to tell you is if price is above the orange, we're looking only to take buy trades. If price is below the orange, we're looking to only take sell trades. All right. So you can see that was there. Look at all the buy trades versus the sell trades. You got a nice buy, wait for the pullback, nice buy, wait for the pullback, nice buy. 3 good positions. You can also see down here under the orange, you can see sell, wait for the pullback, and we got another sell that we've been in since last week. All right, so you go ahead and do that, and you get that strategy, and you get traded, and you start practicing this. But let's say you're not consistent, nor are you profitable yet. What I then want you to do is come on over to my Telegram channel. You're going to look me up on Telegram. You're going to type in free FX signals group, and you're going to make sure it is owned by me, Forex Prince. Once you're inside of the signals group, you're going to then come in here and you're going to see a bunch of signals. You see it say sell gold USD. It has the times, the entry spots, and everything. All right. What I then want you to do is overview the profits. Look at the profits. These are just taken from the signals, guys. Come on. If you want to become profitable, if you want to become consistent, if you want to start learning how to trade Forex, then this is the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe and pass this video to a friend or a family member. And hey, let's start making this money. For better or worse. Thanks, guys.